Good morning, student. আজি আমি এটা নতুন টপিক লৈ আহিছো this cash book in class plus 1 বা first year আমি cash book of questions বা পঢ়ি আহিছো what is cash book, what are the types of cash book, how cash book is prepared. But here the cash book in a company account. The company account, company কেনেকৈ cash book খন maintain কৰে তাৰ ওপৰত আজি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম. A company maintain cash book to record all cash transaction of the company. Generally, all payment are made by company by check and receipt are bank. Generally, ki hoy first ko je company maintain cash book to record all transactions. But definitely, the all cash transactions are recorded in cash book. But in a company, all payment are generally made by check and all received at the bank. The company open an account with scheduled bank and shareholders are instructed to deposit their application, allotment and call money. That is why the cash book bear the bank column only. So company jikhon ami ene cash book pohisu, cash book ami double column, triple column, petty cash book, single column. But generally a company ami jikhon cash book banam ta simply bank column he thake, because in a company all the payment are made by check and all receipt are deposited into a bank. So the main advantage of cash book is to disclose. The main advantage of cash book is disclose the bank balance of the company. The preparation of cash book is useful because it reduces the work of journal entries and all transactions relating to cash are posted to direct into cash book. So what is the main advantage of preparing cash book by a company? First, it reduces the workload of passing journal entries. Because যদিহে cash book খন প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰা হয় তেনেহলে যিমানখিনি ব্যাংকিং বা cash transaction হয় সেইখিনি আমি journal entry পাস নকৰো, because it recorded in cash book. So while preparing cash book, in case of cash book required to prepare, then all cash transaction will be entered in cash book, that is bank column, and non-cash transaction will be entered in the journal. So what is the format? Cash book. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount, credit, debit. Cash book with bank column. Cash book with bank column. So now come, what is the first entry for issue of shares in the books of company? That means number first ki asile for receipt of application money, bank account debit to equity share application account. So when cash book is prepared, তেনেহলে প্ৰথম এন্ট্ৰি টো আমি পাস কৰা জায়গা আমি cash book record কৰি to equity share bank account debit to equity share application, to write to equity shares application account to equity share application being equity share application received, being equity share application received on that shares at the rate of dash dash per share to equity share application. Then the second entry, non-cash transaction, that is second entry for transfer of application money, equity share application to equity share capital. So আমি এইটো entry pass কৰিম journal entry আৰু এইটো entry আমি cash book or entry কৰিম since the cash book is prepared. Now the second entry is for allotment money due. So when allotment money due, that is third entry, when allotment money due, equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital. So this entry is passed in journal entries. And the second, number 4, for receipt of allotment money, bank account debit to equity share allotment, you are right, to equity shares allotment account, to equity share allotment account. Again same narration, when equity share allotment received on dash share at the rate of dash per shares. Again for first call money due, equity share first call account debit to equity share capital, and then the call money is received, so bank account debit to equity share first call, again write to equity share first call, to equity shares first call. Same narration, bank first call money received on dash shares at the rate of dash per shares. And finally last, final call. In a final call, first final call money due. So final call money due, equity share final call account debit to equity share capital, and when final call money received, the bank account debit to equity share final call, to equity shares final call account, to equity share final call account. In case of oversubscription, I mean discuss করেছিল, in case of oversubscription, the excess money was refunded by the company. So when the money was refunded, share application account debit to bank. So here write by equity share application account, right in bracket refund, very variety by the company to public. Then balance sheet and write balance sheet. So here for cash book, when cash book prepare in a company, to generally in a company when cash book is prepared, only cash transaction is recorded in cash book and all the non-cash transactions are recorded in a journal entries. Now यहाँ पर हम एक क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करें. B Limited offered 80,000 shares of 10 each at premium of 4 per share. Of 10 each at a premium of 4 per share. Payable 3 on application, rupees 3 on application, rupees 8 including premium, rupees 8 including premium on allotment and on final call, and rupees 3 on final call. Application for 1 lakh share were application for 1 lakh share were received, out of which applicant for 20,000 share were rejected, out of which application for 20,000 shares were rejected. And while other applicants were fully accepted, application were fully accepted. For journal entries, and prepare cash book. So here first আমি cash book খন বনাম. Before this, the B Limited offered 80,000 share of 10 each, issued at a premium of 4 per share, payable rupees 3 on application, 8 টাকা allotment including premium, 3 টাকা final call. But application for 1 lakh share were received. This is the situation of over subscription, out of which the application for 20,000 share is rejected by company, and while other applications were accepted in full. So first cash book bana, cash book. amount 1 lakh share at the rate of 3. So the first entry is bank account debit to equity share application account. So here write to equity share application. Equity share application account. 1 lakh share 3 टका के 3 lakhs receipt that is a transfer. But when 20 share were rejected, refund 20,000 share जे पैसा तो घुराई दिया होबो जेतु ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन होय আছে तो के शेयर तो जे घुराई दिया होबो ते इक्विटी शेयर एप्लीकेशन डेबिट टू बैंक. तो here write by equity share application account refund how much 20,000 share 3 rupees 60,000 20,000 share of 3 rupees का refund करिए. Now at the time of allotment, first allotment money due to equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital to security premium. Then after this the amount is received. So equity share application allotment money is received on 80,000 shares at the rate of A. So when allotment money received, bank account debit to equity share allotment, right? To equity share allotment 80,000 share 8 टका के रिसीव करिबो 6,40,000 6,40,000. Now on first call or on final call rupees 3. So when final call money due, equity share final call account debit to equity share capital 80,000 into 3 2,40,000 and after due the whole amount is received, that is bank account debit to equity share final call to equity share final call 80,000 share into 3 2,40,000. So 3 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 9 lakhs, and 11 lakhs 80,000. 11 lakhs 80,000. 6, 3, 9, 10, 11. 11 lakh 80. Here write 11 lakhs 80,000 by balance C. By balance C. 11 lakhs 20,000. 11 lakh 80 by 60 minus over 11 lakhs 20,000. So this is your cash book. Very simple. Now after preparing cash book, all non-cash transactions are recorded in a journal. So now, we cash book of asset. The entry kini kori. The first entry, the bank account to equity share application already done, is recorded in cash book. The another entry is equity share application account debit to equity share capital. Equity shares application. Equity share application account debit to equity share capital. To equity share capital. 80,000 into 3, 2,40,000. 2 lakhs 40 being application money transferred to share capital account. Next, for allotment, the allotment money due including premium. Number second, equity share allotment, equity shares allotment account debit to equity shares capital to security premium, to security premium account. So rupees 8 into 8, 6 lakhs 40, 80,000 into 8, 6 lakhs 40. Out of this 4 rupees is a premium and 4 is share capital. So 3 lakh 20 is in share capital and 3 lakh 20 is transferred to equity security premium account. Next entry, for receipt of allotment, bank account debit to equity share allotment account. It already আমি cash book record করে দিছো. Then for final call, the final call money is due. Number third, equity shares final call account debit to equity shares capital account. Equity share final call account debit to equity share capital account. 80,000 into 3. 80,000 into 3. 2 lakhs 40,000. 2 lakh 40,000 being the final call money due on 80,000 share at the rate of 3%. And the last entry, for receipt of final call money, bank account debit to equity share final call, and this entry is already recorded in a cash book. So when cash book is prepared, then all cash transaction is recorded in a cash book and all non-transaction recorded in a journal. So now এতিয়ালৈকে আমি এই কোম্পানী একাউন্টত কি কি ডিসকাস কৰিলো এবাৰ সাবমিট এবাৰ আমি চাইলো first at the beginning of this chapter I saw first point what is shares capital share capital then the amount of share money which is raised through issue of shares, the amount of money which is issue of share by the company is known as share capital simply. Then in second topic, what are the types of share capital? Types of share capital. share capital তার আছে তোমার authorized capital, issued capital, subscribed capital, paid up capital, called up and uncalled capital. Then number third, reserve capital or capital reserve. The difference between is very important. For example, what is reserve capital and capital reserve, and what are the difference between? Number 4, procedure for issue of shares. Issue of shares. Number 5, accounting treatment. Accounting treatment for issue of share. Accounting treatment details for application. They are passing 2 entry for allotment, for first come, for final call, etc. Then issue of share, accounting treatment for issue of share, issue at par, then at premium. When share issue at par and issue at premium, generally share issue at par means it's equal to face value, and premium means asile it more than face value. When the company issues share more than face value, is known as issue of share at premium. But according to 2013 company act, কোনো company share discount or issue করিব নরে বা নকরে, then issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Mainly there are 2 types. Company share issue for cash. When issue for cash, the issue at par, issue at premium, etc. And when a company issues share consideration other than cash. यहाँ पर हमें questions करेंगे. Then number 5, oversubscription falls in area. यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन पढ़िछु जेते पब्लिक के इशू के बेसिस शेयर ओखाने अप्लाई करि दिए एटा ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन कोआ होइसे. In this situation generally company reject the excess applicant. ये एप्लीकेशन खिनि रिजेक्ट करि दिया और पैसा खिनि घुराई दिया. falls in area पर क्वेश्चन पढ़िछु আমি. Next, forfeiture of shares. Due to false in area, যেটা company share কিনে cancel করে দিয়া, when a board of director cancellation of shares due to non-payment of call money is known as forfeiture of shares. তো এই forfeiture আমি করিছো. Then reissue of forfeited shares. And as we discussed earlier, preparation of cash book. Preparation of cash book. So thank you students. In the next class, I will have a new topic.